If you haven't seen the last handful of videos, here's some of the stuff you missed.
Mike, what time is it?
There it is, completed. Now I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this. Let's see here. Wait, I've been around on this thing for 5 minutes and I'm still right here? Where? No, not quite. Welcome back to the Average Mike Show. And this episode, I'm going to revisit the Neatcell. Somebody sent me an email saying try the Neatcell again, but to put aloe vera on the skin that I'm using it on. And to me, it sounds like I'm gonna give myself some second or third degree burns, but I'm willing to try it. Yeah, you got any suggestions? Leave that in the comments. Well, let's see how this thing works. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna try this one on my ankle, and let's see what happens. Aloe vera. I hear it's good for weight loss. I could use some more of that. A little bit in paper towel. Sunglasses, because if this does work, I want to be able to see it afterwards and not be blind. I should probably just get a welding helmet to be doing this. Turn the camera down so you can see my ankle. Yeah, I figured go with a tattoo that's already been kind of faded. Just rub a little bit in, I think. I'm not completely sure what the person that sent me that email had in mind. Now let's get this thing started here. Nah, I just set it at 1. Heck with it. Yeah, it definitely burns a lot more. I think we're going to call that a test hit, and I take these off. And I'll show you what it looks like in a couple of days, a little bit later in this video. Turn the camera, get back on when there's something more interesting to look at, like this. Oh, hey, don't hit that skip button. Yeah, just want to take this moment to show you my first ever Android video game. It's called Shopping Cart Madness. I don't know if you can see it that well from there. Oh man, I'm still getting some glare from over there. So, yeah, basically you're sitting in a shopping cart, a gas-powered shopping cart, riding up a beach, collecting beer bottles and trying to avoid big tires, mailboxes, fire hydrants, parking meters, and other various objects that, yeah, if you were hit with a shopping cart, you'd have a really bad day. Let's see if we can play it. Different speed levels. Yeah, because I'm kind of doing this backwards, I'll do it on 2. Yeah, just tap the screen to go to make a move from one side to the other. Oh, I already hit something. Yeah, the guy face plants in the windshield of a bus. Kind of a violent game over screen. I also got to give a shout out to my guys at GameProfits.co, because without them, I probably would have tossed my computer against the wall. So if you got a video game that you want to put out, be sure to get a hold of them guys if you're an amateur like me. If you guys can get me to 100,000 downloads, that would really be appreciated. I'll build one of these gas-powered shopping carts on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to give it away. And to one of my subscribers. So yeah, definitely check out my YouTube channel too. It's right about here. And don't forget GameProfits.co. Here it is. Yeah, now back to the show. Already in progress. A couple days later, I think we're just going to end it here because it doesn't really like there's going to be any healing time with this new way of doing it, putting aloe vera on my skin. I guess a kind of a pre-treatment for the Neatcell. Looks like it did fade it a little bit, not all that much. But yeah, with this recovery time, it's definitely worth trying again. Yeah, if you got any more suggestions about this tattoo removal stuff, I'll definitely give it a look. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Can't remember. Is it over here, or is it down over here? Well, there's that smiley face with some broken teeth. Down over here somewhere. Yeah, just click on that. You're automatically subscribed to my channel. And like the video, smash that thumbs up for me. I appreciate that. You got any suggestions for other stuff? Anything you want to see in some future videos? Anything on your mind, you go ahead and leave that in the comments. And until next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike. Oh, wait a second. Oh, I forgot to say hit the share button, didn't I? Yeah, it's right about here. There it is. Okay. See you next time.